retina contains two kinds of photoreceptors, rods and cones.
Wow.
I reacted the same way when I first learned about phototransduction.
Take that, Professor Vortex.
Echo, are you hiding a comic book in your textbook?
No, I wouldn't do that. I'm just openly reading it.
Shameful! We're here to learn science.
Derby? You're watching TV during science?
Science Schmience.
I'm aware of your attitude toward this class.
Science Schmience is the name of the show I'm watching, and happens to be my attitude towards this class.
Welcome back to Science Schmience.
It's a science show. They do these cool experiments to make learning science fun.
Like my class. Derby?
My mom says if you can't say something nice, don't say anything. Until you can think of a really good zinger. So give me a minute.
Kids, I've enjoyed every one of our 800 shows together. But now, it's time for me to retire as host of the show.
Derby, are you okay?
I can't believe it. It was the closest thing I ever had to a science teacher. Kapow! Zinger!